the social evil practices in our society. Before we discuss them in detail, I would like to invite you to express your ideas, share your experiences on these practices. Here are some slips which contain the topic of the social evils. Who would like to take the first chance? Okay, Aisha, please come and pick up any slip.
I have got my topic down.
So,
Dowry is serious social evil. In theory, Indian society has given the pride of parents to a man. As expected, God says the girl child does not have welcome as a man child.
what happened, Zaiba? What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, for me this is a real life story. It all started here. The groom came to my house to see my sister 2 years ago. He was very good then, and we thought he is perfect for my sister. We made him very comfortable. He then saw my lovely sister and readily agreed to marry her. He also promised to take care of her and give her all happiness. We also promised to give him some gifts in return. It was such a happy time for everyone. My sister, like an angel, was waiting to see the happy days in her future. Her bright smile made us all very excited, but soon all this was to change. He started to trouble her severely every day. He tortured her daily for money, for the gifts we had promised. In fact, for more than what we had promised. She literally lived a life of hell with him, beaten by him every moment. She did all the household work sincerely. She cleaned the house, attended to all her duties without fail, but yet she was only rewarded with misery, pain and grief.
अब तो मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता इस घर में। तुम कुछ लाए नहीं हो इसलिए निकलो यहाँ से। चलो अब रहने की।
Very soon it also went to the extent of driving her away from the house.
Please, मुझे मत बताओ. Please.
He ruthlessly banged the door after her without any compassion.
अब बस निकलो घर से बाहर।
With no other way out, she came to my parents' house for respite.
क्या लेने आई हो इधर?
But her hopes faded away soon, since she was rejected shelter even here. No one was ready to take on the responsibility. With this, my sister's life turned upside down in 2 years due to the greed of that man.
Children, we just heard the gruesome story of Zaiba's sister. Let's all join our hands and fight against this evil.
Dowry hasn't been always a social evil. At one time, the father gave share of his property to his daughter is nothing but sharing of his wealth with all, including his daughters. and every father would want his daughter to be happy in life. It's only later on, when the woman's status came down, where the man started demanding, so to say, buying the man with the money from the woman. As a sociologist, I definitely consider it as an evil, because a girl is not an animal. She is a human being. Dowry Prohibition Act has not been successful at all, because it punishes the innocent and lets the guilty go scot-free. It may be because the lawmakers and the ones who execute are not very serious about it. Maybe we women have not worked hard towards it, so that we fight a little more, make our voice being heard, and socially conscientize people, saying that this is an evil which should not have existed and it should never exist. For a woman who has certain amount of money, for her has some dignity, certain amount of education has dignity, certain amount of sacrifice that she requires to make, and especially today, if she wants to make a home, it's not money alone. It is the love, understanding, sacrifices that she makes. Not only her, we cannot expect her to make all the sacrifices. I think the entire family, children, parents, grandparents, everyone. And this is the foundation of building a happy family. And a happy family can create a happy community and a society, and definitely the whole world. So dowry menace has to be got rid of. It is only one of the evils. I wouldn't consider dowry to be all the evils, but it's one of the evils which is very, very strong and powerful. Measure, I would like to create a lot of awareness on each one of them, and put that confidence and trust in them, that life is far beyond only money. Money comes, money goes. Status comes, status goes. It's a family, love, care, understanding, and fulfillment. Self-fulfillment is also required. Self-respect. Do I respect myself? Respect yourself first of all, then I will not disrespect someone else. I should be an agent. I would say young students should be agents of social transformation and social formation and formation of good families. Work hard, be convinced of what you are doing, persevere in what you are doing, create a world better than you got it from your ancestors or the previous generation, and leave it much better for the next generation.